Understanding concert tickets, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, concert ticket. This phrase is commonly used and understanding it will help you in various real-life situations. Let's dive in and learn together. A concert ticket is a pass or a voucher that allows you entry to a musical event where musicians perform live. It's a physical or electronic document that you must show at the entrance of the concert venue. Concert. A concert is a live music performance in front of an audience. The music can be of any genre, from classical to rock. Ticket. A ticket is a piece of paper or digital proof that gives someone the right to enter a place, travel on a vehicle, or attend an event. Buying a concert ticket. I bought a concert ticket for the U2 show next month. Asking about concert tickets. Are there any concert tickets left for the jazz festival? 1. Purchasing tickets. Learning how to ask for and purchase concert tickets. 2. Discussing concert plans. Talking about upcoming concerts with friends. 3. Experiencing issues. What to do if you lose your concert ticket or it gets damaged. That's all about concert tickets. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in English. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.